Okay, welcome to another episode of Wayne's World Garage. We're going to finish loading up some of this hickory, the cherry, and locust onto the trailer to bring it up to the sawmill tomorrow morning. So first thing I got to do is put the front end loader on the tractor with a grapple on it so I can get these things going. So let's get rolling and have All right, girls and boys, that's how you do it. So we've got 7 pieces on here. We got 3 of these poplar, which will make fence boards for the guys. Locust, cherry. This is a nice hickory here. A little bit of rot in the middle of that one. The locust, I'm not quite sure what we got here, how much rot's on there. Another cherry. And I only got 1 log left over, but it won't fit on this trailer right now. Paula, I need a bigger trailer, please. But there you go, and I think I'm pretty comfortable that I got plenty of tongue weight. This thing always would like more tongue weight, it seems. So this will be good, and I think it'll haul out pretty well. So let me chain her up, and we'll head off tomorrow morning to the mill and see how it goes. Okay, so here's what these straps look like and chains look like when they're all finished. I've got 2 straps on them and 2 chains, and they're cranked down pretty tightly. I will stop partway into this trip and I'll retighten and make sure everything's tight. But we should be good to go for tomorrow. Trailer over. So I just wanted to show you guys something too. This is a bonus clip. This is called a shackle. You probably already know that. You probably all buy from, you know, Home Depot or something like that, or your local hardware store. I really strongly recommend getting the real deal. And the real deal is made in America by a company called Crosby. And they are drop forged. And look on the interweb here for what drop forged is. Drop forged, if you look at the side of this thing here, you can see, because it was a big piece of metal, and see the little flashing on it, and see how thick that flashing is. It's not cast. If it was cast steel or cast iron, it would be a very thin piece of flashing here. But since this is drop forged, it's a fairly thick flange basically, and they pound that off, of course. And when they do that, you know, all these cells line up and stuff like that, and it gets a lot stronger. People in the professional rigging industry who trust their lives on rigging buy Crosby and use Crosby. You can tell because they've got the red bolt, whether the U-bolts for Crosby clips, for wires, or for wire stuff like that, or thimbles. They've got red bolts, made America, Crosby. Now the other thing too is, this is something, it's shocking how many people don't know this. When you secure these guys, tighten them down and loosen them a half a turn. What? Why would you do that? Well, you leave it tight like this all the time, tighten it up all the way. When it gets a little bit tighter, you're going to need a tool to undo it. Okay, on temporary loads, not for guy wires and stuff like that. But when you're using it for rigging, tighten it up, loosen it 1/2 a turn. There'll be so much tension on it, it's not going to come loose. Okay, so that's a little tip for the day. It comes in handy when you use these things. Buy American, buy Crosby. Not sponsored by them either. Take care and have a good day. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you like this. Please subscribe if you like it, and leave some comments in the comments section. Thank you.